Here I am at the edge of the Pacific Ocean here in Cardiff, San Diego, California. I'm here overlooking the beach and the train tracks. This is one of the most sought after beaches here in San Diego, and some of the most prime luxury view residential homes available on all of the West Coast. These homes are in the $1 million range with views of the ocean. This is San Alejo Avenue in Cardiff. Just looking south here would be Solana Beach, and turning to the north would be Encinitas. We're almost about to hit sunset here. This is very beautiful right now. Zip code here is 92007. Must check it out. Gorgeous oceanfront property.